which is the last part, which are the top colleges accepting ZAT scores other than XLRI? GDPI Baiju course. Yes, there is a GDPI course that is specifically for people who will get calls from IIMs, XLRI, SPJ and MDI. So that level of institutes, if you do get that, you can go ahead and enroll in it. Okay. The top 5 colleges according to me which accept other than XLRI are IMT Ghaziabad, XIMB, Great Lakes Chennai, IMI Delhi and KJ Somaiya. For those who want to know what will be the cutoff for these colleges, let's have a look at it. None of these colleges explicitly states what is the ZAT cutoff. They categorically state the CAT cutoff. So what we have here is the CAT cutoff for IMT Ghaziabad at 93.2. In ZAT, if you score about 90 to 91, you would still have a chance of getting a call from IMT Ghaziabad. Please keep that in mind. This is for the core program. अगर हम DCP program देखेंगे, वो generally 87.5 के आसपास रहता है. In ZAT 85 लाओगे तो भी हो जाएगा. It is a good college, average placement about 17.35, median of 16. Top 100 का average ले तो 25 lakhs है, top 200 का about 21.5. This is a very good college for people looking at getting into an MBA this year, not wanting to give another go, getting in the range of about 90 to 92 and unable to probably get a call either from XLRI or unable to convert it. Okay. Next college will be XIMB. Once again, a very, very good college. XIMB में CAT cutoff generally is slightly on the lower side. 88, 85 is what they state. ZAT cutoff will be very, very similar. Will be very, very similar. So time का जो increase हुआ है, Rahul have already spoken about this. Time का जो increase हुआ है, most probably buffer time के लिए, ताकि अगर technical issues आ जाए क्या होगा. There is no other reason. और अगर increase हुआ है, वो आपके किसी एक paper में बढ़ जाएगा. No tension at all. It just works in your favor. But as per the sample paper, it doesn't go there. It is probably for buffer. Okay, please keep that in mind. Once again, a very, very good college. If you get about 87 plus in ZAT, you have a good chance of getting a call here from the BM program as well. HRM program, NMAT also takes it. If you score about 200 and say 20 plus, maybe even 215 plus, good chance through NMAT you will get a call for XIMB HR. So for those of you who've written NMAT looking at XIMB HR, this is possible. Application deadline, I don't remember. Please go ahead and have a look at it. Please go ahead and have a look at it. I will not remember the deadline for every college. Very difficult for me to do that. Great Lakes Chennai, once again, very, very good college. Great Lakes. PGPM is their 1-year course. PGDM is their 2-year course. So if you're looking at PGDM, cutoff is generally around 88 to 90 percentile. Even for the Gurgaon campus, it will be about 87, 88 in CAT. So in ZAT, if you're scoring 86, 87 plus, you have a good chance of getting a call from here. 86, 87 plus, you have a good chance of getting a call from here. Okay? Please keep that in mind. Next one, IMI Delhi, once again in CAT around 92 percentile के आसपास for the core program it calls. For the non-core which is HRM around 85, 86 के आसपास आता है. In ZAT, once again, if you score about 89 to 90 percentile, 89 to 90, you should surely go ahead and get a call. Okay? 89 to 90, you should go ahead and get a call. And finally, KJ Somaiya. Once again, KJ Somaiya is also there under NMAT. So if you applied for it through NMAT as well, there is a high chance you can get a call for at KJ Somaiya at 215 plus as well. In CAT, generally at 90.25, ZAT, I would say 88 plus me, you will get a call. 88 plus me, you will get a call. Once again, highest 12.5, median at about 12.5, highest 22.5. So a decent college as well. So these would be the top colleges under XLRI, or rather under ZAT. And that brings me to an end of today's session, guys. We've gone ahead and spoken about the agenda. We've gone ahead and spoken about the modalities. We've gone ahead and spoken about sectional, what ZAT has thrown up every year, what should be your strategy. We've looked at the cutoffs, we've looked at the score to percentile mapping, and we've looked at the top B schools that you can apply for under this. My last minute tips to all of you, you have 10 days to go. Please go ahead and look at writing about 5-6 mocks at least. See किस रेंज में आ रहा है. Strategy we've gone ahead and discussed already. Last year I had 219, KJ didn't get a call. This year, that is why I'm saying 215 का chance है, because this year is tougher. Last year 232 was the cutoff at NM. This year we are expecting might go down to about 230, but for NM Bangalore and others it will surely come down by 5 marks. Hence I am saying KJ Somaiya will come down by 5-7 marks for sure. ठीक है. XLI जमशेदपुर NCRBM more or less same रहते हैं, ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं होता. ठीक है. Probably 1 or 2 percentile lesser 90 के आसपास पे हो सकता है कॉल आ जाए. My recommended strategy, something that I've already spoken about. If you're an average student, 50 plus 40 plus 50 look at. Additional time, look at the first two section, which is quant and verbal, put it there. If quant is something that you are very, very good at, TAPME will not be under the top colleges here. TAPME will be after this. So I've spoken only about the top 5 colleges. TAPME will be after this. TAPME will give you a call at about 84, 85. Okay? In ZAT. If you are good at quant, my recommended strategy is verbal 45, DM 40, 75 in quant, 5 minutes extra somewhere else. If you are good in verbal, 70 plus 40 plus 45, additional 5-10 minutes, you can decide where they will come. Okay?